Today's recognition rights stands as a testament to your perseverance, discipline, and unwavering commitment in overcoming the rigors of training and preparing yourselves for the noble profession of public service.
Yet you choose to persevere and continue moving forward. Such resilience reflects the character expected from those who will soon carry the responsibility of protecting communities and preserving peace and order.
As these fine young men and women continue their journey toward becoming full-fledged police officers and dedicated public servants, expectations remain high that with their newly acquired knowledge and skills, proper attitude, and strengthened values, they will bring honor, integrity, and justice to their chosen profession, law enforcement.
As the officer in charge, Regional Training Center 8, I now declare the 270 members of the PSBRC Batch 2025-01 Class Alpha to Echo, Kalimdarak, recognized effective this date.
Fully prepared to meet the demands and challenges of law enforcement. Ladies and gentlemen,
the stage is now set. Let us all witness the opening act.
As you move closer to the realization of your dreams, always remember that the uniform aspired to wear symbolizes honor, integrity, courage, and selfless service. Let this milestone inspire you to strive even harder. Remain steadfast in your principles and continue building yourselves.
As you continue your path toward becoming full-fledged police officers, may you remain inspired by your purpose and steadfast in your commitment to serve the Filipino people with honor and excellence. To the families and loved ones of these police trainees, your unwavering support and sacrifices have been instrumental in their success. May kasabihan na sa likod ng bawat tagumpay ay may pamilyang nagdarasal at nagtitiwala, and of course, nagmamahal.
The first to present are the selected members of Class Kalimdarak, who possesses the qualities of becoming a true marksman. This skill is undeniably one of the most indispensable in the police service. And now, we are about to present to you the Class Talim Darak and their pistol and rifle exercise.
Once again, congratulations to the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course Batch 2025-01 Alpha to Eco Talim Darak for this remarkable achievement. May you continue to rise, lead, and serve with pride and distinction. Damo gid nga salamat ngan maopay nga aga haaton nga tanan.